Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about CFX price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. So now we're gonna start with this one, CFX per USDT pair, and now having across all of them, so you can enter if the prices go to the 0.28, right? If the price go that point, then you can enter on here. And if you want to take in profit, if you already enter on the 0.289, you can take in profit on here, right? For the Bollinger Band here is trying to push it to the yellow one or upper band on the 0.369 US dollar. If they can go up, then it will try to go up to the 0.4, but if not, then it will only go back to the yellow pink one side here, 0.33, or go to the 0.3. Right, for the daily chart, basically on the daily chart is having, right, sorry, this is for trading in the 4-hour chart, a daily chart using for investing, and rightly close this green bar, right? As I said before, it has to be close the green bar first, and if this already horizon in here, then you can enter on the 0.22 or 0.23. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.